In this video I will share with you my trading strategy for the bull run to make maximum profits and my exact exit strategy to make most out of this bull run. So let's go straight into the content. So first of all, on this Bitcoin chart you can see that we had bear markets and bull markets. So Bitcoin is moving in cycles. For example, after the bull run top in 2017, we then saw this crash about 84%. After that, we saw this massive bullish increase till the top of 2021. And after we reached the all-time high in 2021, we then saw a 77% correction. And since 1 year, we are moving to the upside since $16,000. And now the chance is really high that we will continue the bullish momentum and starting the real bull run for 2024-25. So after all bull and bear cycles, Bitcoin is always going to the upside. But if we're having a look at the historical snapshot from 2017, you can see that most of the altcoins which was performing in the top 100 are right now down very much or are going to zero. For example, some really good performing altcoins were Bitcoin Cash, IOTA, Dash, NEM. So some of these coins are existing right now, but they never came to their all-time high back from this zone. But also many coins that never came to the all-time high and went to zero or nearly to zero. So the most of the investors lose about 90 to 99%. So if we are having a look at this list, it's really important to understand that Bitcoin is always going to the upside. But most of the altcoins which will perform in the bull run are then going to die in the bear market. So if Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is moving to the upside, I will take profits at certain levels I will explain you later. But it's very important to understand that I will take profits mostly out of the altcoins because the chance that most of the altcoins will move to the downside and will be dead in the bear market is very high. If you need a great crypto exchange to buy crypto or leverage trade cryptos on futures, you can use Bitunix. Bitunix is a no KYC, no VPN trading platform. So especially from people from the US, UK, Netherlands and Canada, you can trade legally on this crypto exchange. And if you're depositing over 200 USDT, you get over 60% trading bonus for free at the exclusive deposit bonus from successful trading for my community. So if you want to register for Bitunix, you will find the link in the description. So first we are now coming to my trading strategy for this bull run and then we are coming to my exit strategy. If we have at the total crypto market cap, you can see that we had this longer accumulation phase. And in the best case, you already bought much coins in this accumulation phase. In the best case, coins with a great fundamental and a high potential. And if you already invested the most of your gains in this area right here, this is perfect for the start of the bull run. But if you're on the sideline right now or if you want to buy some more coins, I think the time right now is perfect to get into some coins because right now we have this accumulation phase and the halving already is completed. So the chance that we will see even higher prices in the near future is there. So I personally would buy Bitcoin and different altcoins. I talk about many altcoins on my YouTube channel. And if then the bull run is starting, if you're already accumulated massive coins right here in this space, then in the best case, when Bitcoin is making new all-time highs, you are also in great profits in the altcoins. And if we're having a look at the 2021 bull run at Ethereum, you can see that we have this EMAs right here. We have the EMA 21, 50, 110 and 200. And as you can see, Ethereum was going to the upside, but then also bounced from this EMA 21. I'm not the biggest fan of the EMAs, but in the bull run, this is a great way to get into more coins or buy another tranche of coins. Because as you can see, always if we are bouncing from the EMA 21 or 50, we then have great chances to get into more coins and ride the bull run to the upside. So especially for the altcoins and Ethereum, I would use the daily or 4-hourly chart and use the EMAs. And always if we are seeing a retracement, I would look for potential buying opportunities. So in a bull run, we have this bullish structure with higher highs and higher lows all the way. And you just want to get into the higher lows and buy them right here. So as I said, you can use the EMAs to find good buying opportunities. And if you're watching my channel, I also use mostly demand zones. So if you're using demand zones on the 4-hourly or daily chart in the bull run, you will also get great entry zones for the bull run to buy some more coins. Or of course, you can also use the Fibonacci tool to get into some retracements. So if you're using the Fibonacci tool, I would mostly focus on the 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci. Or if you are in a strong trend, I would also use the 0.382. So let's summarize it all. If the bull run is really starting, the best you could do is that you already invested in some great coins. You have Bitcoin and altcoins with a very high potential. For this bull run, I would use AI coins, real world asset coins, gaming coins, and some coins just with a very high potential. And if the bull run is really starting, I would use the EMAs, demand zones, to get into more positions. Always, if we are having the retracement, I would look for long potentials to get into more positions, so you can ride the bull run to the upside and make even more profits when the market is retracing. And if we have a look at Ethereum from 2021, you can see that we always bounced here at the EMAs, but then we saw this parabolic bullish move to the upside. And if we are seeing a move that the prices is just rising to the upside with strong bullish momentum, then I wouldn't buy coins. Then I would look to take some profits. And I would also look at the fear and greed index, because when everybody is greedy and the taxi driver tells you to buy some Bitcoin or buy some meme coins, then mostly it is the best time to sell some coins, because most of the retailers are now getting into the market. And if we have a look at the bull and bear cycles, most of the retailers are getting into Bitcoin when the price is too high, because most of the retailers bought from 50 to 60 to 70k. And then if the market is going into a bear market, then the retailers are selling and losing their money. So the best you can do is DCA into the market in these bear cycles. And if Bitcoin is now starting to move to the upside till or between 100,000 and 200,000, I will start to DCA out of the market. So for my exit plan and my DCA out, I will look at the total crypto market cap too. And if we are using the Fibonacci tool, we will then get some potential price targets for this bull run. Because if we have a look at the last cycle from 2017 till the bear market 2019, we then had this potential Fibonacci price targets for the total crypto market cap too. And as you can see, we first reacted right here, then saw this correction to the downside. And then we also reached the price target of the 3.618 Fibonacci. So this Fibonacci zones could be some potential price targets, especially if the total crypto market cap is increasing. And if we are reaching the market cap of the 3.618 Fibonacci right here at $5 trillion, then I would definitely take some profits on the altcoins and of course on Bitcoin. And if we look for potential price targets for Bitcoin, we also have this potential price targets from the Fibonacci tool. And I think a price target of $100,000 is very realistic, but I wouldn't take profits or large profits right here. Of course, if the price is moving to the upside and if your portfolio is in very great profit on Bitcoin and especially the altcoins, of course, you can also start to sell some coins. But if we are seeing even higher prices and reaching the $150,000, then I would definitely take some profits. And if we are reaching $200,000, I also would definitely take some profits, especially as I said, on the altcoins. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or things like this where the altcoin season begins, etc., then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So again, guys, it's really important to understand these cycles of the market, and to make the best out of the bull run, the best would be if you already bought some coins in this accumulation phase, or if you are buying some coins right now before we will see the massive price increases. And if the coins are moving to the upside, then I would definitely buy some coins if we are seeing bullish retracements at the demand zones, or if we are seeing bounces from the EMAs. Because if we are seeing retracements in the bull run, the chance that we are seeing a bullish trend continuation is very high. And if you buy some coins here, it's very nice, especially if you have US dollar on the sideline. So this is my trading strategy. And if we are then going parabolic to the upside, then I would start to DCA out of the market. And again, guys, most of the altcoins will die after the bull market top. So I'll definitely take profits or sell most of my altcoins. Of course, put them into US dollar, or I would put them in Bitcoin. And guys, when everybody is greedy and your portfolios are very green and the taxi driver is telling you to buy Bitcoin, then I would be skeptical and start to DCA out of the market and take some profits back home. Because in the end, you have to know what is the real goal of the bull run. The bull run is there to make massive profits and take them home. You don't want to buy these coins and then lose 90 or 80% in the bull run of your profits if the coins are decreasing in price. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.